Hi friends, welcome to our channel. And in today's video, I will tell you and also show you how you can make stickers in the Snapchat app friends. Please put your likes, write comments at the end of this video clip, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So let's get down to our topic. And in order to make stickers in Snapchat, first open this app. Next, you're going to need to take a photo of some sort. I'm going to take a picture. After you've taken a photo, I'm going to show you now how you can easily and quickly make a sticker. You will need to click on this scissors sign right here. Next, circle what you would like to make a sticker. And then do it like this. And as you can see, this is how the sticker was immediately created. You can move it, reduce it, enlarge it, do what you want with it. And say, for example, if you change your mind, for example, about putting up a picture with this sticker, you close it, and the next time you take a picture, you can use the sticker that you've already taken. That's a huge plus of the sticker you are with Snapchat. So when you take the next photo, in order to find the previous sticker you've already taken, you'll need to click on this sign above the scissors. Next, click right here on the scissors. And here, as you can see, there are stickers that I made beforehand in Snapchat, and they're saved automatically. You can click on them, they will appear, then you do what you need to do with them, and after that you can put the photo with stickers in your history or send it to some of your friends. Friends, this is a simple and interesting way to make stickers in Snapchat. I hope you found this video helpful and also that it was useful to you. Please write your comments, be sure to give us a like, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon.